Hi everyone, welcome to Joyful Jacks. Today we are making yogurt breakfast bowl. This yogurt breakfast bowl makes an absolute perfect breakfast to start your day with. Today I'm sharing two different ways to prepare this yogurt breakfast bowls, and these both are my personal favorite. All you require to prepare this breakfast bowl: pick your favorite brand of yogurt to start with. 3/4 cup of yogurt. Here I'm using strawberry yogurt. Handful of granola. It adds crunch and perfect texture to the bowl. One tablespoon of pumpkin seeds and flax seeds. These seeds for adding fiber into the breakfast. One tablespoon of sliced almonds. You can use any nuts of your choice: almonds, walnuts, peanuts, and cashews. Half a cup of fresh cut fruits. You can use banana, strawberry, mango, or any fruits of your choice. And 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or honey for sweetness. Scoop the yogurt into the bowl and start adding all your favorite toppings. Here I'm adding honey almond granola. You can find this in nearby stores or even at Amazon. If you want, I'll leave the links below. You can check it out later. Now adding in 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds and 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. One tablespoon of sliced almonds. And half a cup of fresh cut fruits. And a splash of honey. You can substitute honey with maple syrup, sugar, or any sweetener of your choice. The absolute perfect yummy breakfast bowl is ready to serve. It has all the goodness of proteins, carbohydrates, and fiber because we have added in fresh fruits, nuts, and seeds. The next breakfast bowl we are preparing is a dairy-free one. We are preparing this with coconut yogurt. This yogurt is dairy-free yogurt alternative made from coconut milk and live cultures. It tastes and looks very similar to regular yogurt. Depending on the brand, it is perfectly healthy to consume coconut yogurt. Look for a product without added sugar and preservatives. Here I'm adding in chocolate coconut yogurt, handful of granola, 1 tablespoon of sliced almonds, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. These chia seeds makes you feel fuller for a longer time. And 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds and 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips. Chocolate is my personal favorite. And half a cup of fresh cut fruits. And some honey for sweetness. These breakfast bowls are perfect for kids and adults too. Whenever you are in a need of quick breakfast or anyone looking for a satisfying snack, this breakfast bowl is a perfect option and it's very simple to prepare. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more interesting videos. See you on the other side. Bye bye.